Today we're going to be working on creating a form. First thing you want to do is go in and turn on the plugins that will activate the plugin for the form. So we're going to go into plugins. We're going to do a search for Gravity. It's called Gravity Forms. We're going to select it and activate and apply. Once we turn the forms on, we will notice over here in our dashboard we now have forms. In the forms area, we can edit a form, create a new form, check out the entries of all the forms that we've received. We can work with the settings, and we can import and export, and these can be used in Excel files. We can check on updates and the help section. Right now we're going to go into new forms. When I place my cursor over the box where it said Untitled, I'm going to click on Edit. You have an Edit and Delete. I'm going to give it the name of my form. In description, I could add or change this content here. I'm going to leave it the way it is. This is what they will see. Once the confirmation, once they hit that submit button, this is another thing that they'll see. And it says thanks for contacting us. And I'm going to leave that the way it is also. So now I've named my form. Over here we have a standard fields. And this is the area we're going to be working in. We're going to create a single line. Place a cursor over it and edit. Give it a name. Going to create one field for text to be entered into. I could put maximum characters if I wanted to. In other words, if I didn't want it to go over 50 spaces, I could put in 50 there to allow for 50 characters. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to leave it blank, and you can have it required or no duplicates. Right now, I'm going to leave it the way it is. I'm going to check on advanced. And I want to change the size of my line to be large. And I'm going to leave everything else the way it is. I'm going to close it. Now I'm going to go over and choose paragraph text. Click on edit. Give it a fill label. I'm not going to enter anything into the description, and no requirements, and I'm going to click on advance, and I want to make it, I'm going to leave it medium, so that's okay, so I'm going to go ahead and close that out. Now I'm going to create a drop down box. Click on edit, fill name. First choice, second choice. I have 3 choices here. If I wanted to add another one, I would click on the little plus. If I wanted to take one away, I would click on the little minus and it takes it away. I could choose no duplicates, forcing them to only be able to choose one. I'll go ahead and do that. Let's look at over at advanced. I'm not going to mess with anything in advance. I'm just going to leave it the way it is. And I'm going to close. Go to a numbers box. Creating a numbers box. And I'm going to put out a label. Now you can make it required. You could put a minimum of 1 through 100. And if you were collecting, for example, volunteer hours, or you could say let's round up hours. Go to advanced. I'm going to leave everything the way it is over here in advanced. medium size should cover 100. So I'm going to close that. And now we're going to choose the check boxes. Edit. Edit the field label. Again, you can do the same thing here. To add, you just put a plus. And to minus it, hit the minus button. We can make this a required field. And I'm going to go ahead and close that. Multiple choice. You can have more than one answer here. So, come to add another choice. Click on advance, see if there's anything back here. You want to leave it the way it is and close it. Section break just puts in a horizontal rule line. You can use those anywhere in your survey. Hidden. I'm going to click on hidden. If there's a field that you want hidden out there, I have no idea why you would want that, but it is out there for you to use. And there's HTML box. If you have certain coding that you'd want to bring into this HTML box, this is where you would actually go in and create your HTML and put it into this box, and you can copy and paste it in there for certain things that you may want done in your form. Okay, once we've done all that, we're going to save the form. We're going to preview the form. Okay, there's our heading, our single line, our paragraph, our drop-down box, our numbers box, which is way big, and we have the must round up hours, and our check box. Here we can choose multiple choices. Section break and submit button. That's creating the form. And if we want to go back and continue to edit the form, hit the back field and continue editing this form.